Subscribe and click please. Hi. I am Coach KD. This video is a array defense double slant play. This video shows how to use the double slant to match the defensive team. I'll tell you how to play double slant play. If you play double slant against a defense that uses two safety zone coverage, you need to see the alignment of the defending team's safety players. You must determine whether the safety player is standing on the inside or outside with respect to the slot receiver. If the safety player is standing inside the slot receiver, you can pass it to the number 1 receiver, or if you are standing outside the slot receiver, you can pass to the number 2 receiver. Do not be afraid to be intercepted by an outside linebacker. QB must be able to throw it boldly. Win 2 safety and zone coverage. Here is a look at what to do if you have one safety, depending on zone coverage and man coverage. First, if the defensive team uses man coverage, the receivers must release inward to create space. Because the slant is a route that moves inward, it is difficult to create a space to receive a pass if you release it outward. Next, if the defensive team uses zone coverage, the receivers must be able to sharpen the angle inside the defender, and then be able to grasp and adjust the angle of the defender to the inside. When one safety and man coverage. When one safety and zone coverage. This is how the receivers set their angles. In the case of an inbound route, other defenders may be intercepted, and the receivers must be well trained to create a safe space. It is not necessary to move 45 degrees unconditionally, but it is necessary to identify and move the empty space caused by defenders' movements. How receivers set angles. Reading a defensive team is not just a coaching step and a quarterback. It can be a very smart team if all the players are together.